Imagine stepping into a real life snow globe. Well, minus the snow for now, but there's twinkling lights, festive music, and the charm of a European Christmas without leaving North America. Welcome to Old Quebec City. So Old Quebec City is a place where history meets magic, nestled within cobblestone streets and centuries-old architecture. The city transforms into a holiday wonderland in November. You know, everywhere you look, Christmas trees, lights and festive decor transport you to another world. Now, we stayed at the boutique Auberge Saint-Antoine. It's a stunning hotel in the heart of the old city with its elegant charm and cozy ambience. You know, it felt like the perfect home base for exploring. So if you're looking for a stay that's luxurious yet warm, then this is the place. Now, on our second day, we joined a walking tour, and you know, it was the best way to get our bearings and immerse ourselves in the rich history of Quebec City. The Château Frontenac is an absolute must-see. Its grandeur towers over the city like a castle out of a fairy tale. And if you're not up for walking all the hills and stairs, there's the funicular, which makes it easy to travel between the lower and upper parts of town. And for those who love art and history, Quebec City delivers. We explored the MNBAQ National Fine Art Museum, showcasing incredible pieces from local and international artists. And the Musée de la Civilisation offered a fascinating dive into Quebec's culture and historical roots. And these stops added depth to our trip, balancing the festive fun with a touch of education. And one of the highlights was the German Christmas market, which kicked off on November 21st. And I apologise because I messed up with my camera here, but it's the kind of place that warms your heart despite the cold weather. From handmade trinkets to delicious treats, every booth offered a little slice of holiday joy. But here's a tip: dress warmly, because when we were there, it was cold and windy. Now, Quebec City is beautiful, but it's also hilly, so comfortable sneakers or flat boots are a must, especially for all the stairs. You know, it was chilly during our visit, so layering up was key. Think warm coats, scarves and gloves. And you know, also for us, 4 days felt like a perfect amount of time to soak it all in without feeling rushed. You know, Quebec City isn't just a destination, it's an experience. From its festive charm to its rich culture, it's a place that fills your heart and leaves you inspired, whether you come for the Christmas market or just to escape the everyday grind. This city reminds you why taking time for yourself matters. A short getaway like this can be the perfect reset, a chance to create memories, connect with loved ones, and rediscover joy. So when was the last time you treated yourself to a little escape? You know, vacations don't have to be long, they just need to be meaningful. So please let me know where your favourite getaway destination was. Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe recommend this video with someone who could use a little getaway inspiration. And thank you for being here, and I'll see you in my next video.